All right, it's Thursday, October 16th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here, if they're buying puts on this red bar here, where it failed near the highs of the day and the pre-market highs, it's followed through lower. I scaled out and set up an overage trade after kind of pausing at this inflection area, which I expected. The lows of the day, it kind of, moved up a little bit, but it paused, but then closed red, and we followed through lower to our next target, the pre-market lows down here. So now I scale out some more of the trade in this choppy environment. So again, I bought the 670 puts at 435. I scaled out at 535 to set up an overage trade. Just sold some more at 635, 2 points higher. So again, good volatility in here for some short-term gains. And at each inflection point, we kind of watch the 15-minute chart and see what happens. But again, I'm sticking to my plan that I've been talking about for days now, where after that big red day and forming a bit of a trading range, I'm looking for buy opportunities on failures near the bottom and sell opportunities on failures near the top. And today, this was the second opportunity for a failure where we came out, took out the liquidity of the highs of the day and the pre-market highs, had the big red reversal, and then worked down to the lows of the day. Now our next target, pre-market lows. And we'll see, if we can get to the low range of yesterday. We're still inside of that, so that's why it's kind of, it's choppy inside of this range, and then it's a big picture, it's choppy inside of this big, bar range. So choppiness all over the place, but good volatility, and, for some, shorter term moves that, if you watch the 15-minute chart now, might develop into even bigger moves. So if you go this could be a base hit area to just take 2-point gains on these SPY contracts, or you can kind of see what happens. If it just pauses here and turns green, you can exit, or, do no worse than break even, or whatever, however you want to play it. If you watch bar by bar, and we just kind of like this bar, don't really, have anything strong to the upside, it might be heading lower towards, the low. This is the next target, this little pivot here from yesterday, and the low end of yesterday's range. And, in the big picture, maybe after moving up a little bit for a few days, maybe we're going to head to all the way to the bottom of the range again, but we'll know that more as this day closes and what unfolds. So good opportunities to sell near the top of the range. Let's see if a little momentum can still continue to kick into the bottom, all at no risk, and good trading. Again, just kind of sticking with the game plan and looking for intraday structure opportunities back to the downside.